In today's video, I'm going to show you how I edit my TikToks using Videopad Video Editor by NCH. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I also stream on Facebook 3 times a week at SpaceCitySurge. Okay, so first thing you want to do is open up your web browser. You're going to want to type NCH software. You'll see the first link here. Under video software, you want to select video editing software. And you'll select download now and let it run its course. Unlike other video editing software, I only paid a one-time payment of $65 versus $20 a month. Once you have it downloaded, you want to open it up, select new project, open, select the video you want or clip. Once you have your video selected, you'll want to drag it down to your timeline. And now your video is on the timeline. So once you have your video down in your timeline, you can crop it, you can edit it. But for now, I'm just going to stick to showing you what I use for my TikToks. So this is the clip I'm going to use. What I'm going to do is I want to unlink the audio. I want to separate the audio and the video. So just select unlink. Now these are two separate pieces. Once you unlink the audio and the video, you can select video, right click, and hit copy. Here in the blank space where it's grayed out and it says video track 2, you'll right click there and hit paste overlay. Now here where it says video track 3, just keep in mind where this red cursor is at, because that's where the video is going to get inserted. So we're going to move it back here. Overlay and insert. Okay. So now we have 3 videos layered on top of one another. We're going to want to make sure we're in sequence preview so that we can change the aspect ratio from it being this 1920 by 1080 to 1080 by 1920, and also the size of your phone or the aspect ratio that TikTok uses. So we'll change that now. So in video track 3, the one that's layered on the top, we're going to hit FX. And you'll see this black area here and this black area here, but we'll take care of all of that. So I actually have the presets already made, but for this video, I will do them again. Okay, so now that we changed the aspect ratio, we're going to start adding the effects to each video. Now each video is layered in the order that it appears. So this video track 3 is layered on top of video track 2, and video track 2, is on top of video track 1. So we'll select video track 3, and this is going to be our face cam. So on face cam, you're going to want to look for scale. All right, so here's the scale. And basically all we're going to do is move our face cam to this area here so that we can have our face cam, our actual gameplay face cam, in the camera or in the video. Using these 3 squares here, you can increase it like so. Okay. I like to bring it all the way in, and then you can move it to the side. Okay, and once I got it kind of centered, I'll go up. Whoop. And I'm just using the mouse to position it. Now don't worry about all this gray area in the video that you can see, because all we're worried about is the actual face cam. Okay, once I got it there, I'll just give it some more. Okay, now that I'm centered, I'm gonna hit the green plus sign. That's gonna add another effect. And what we're gonna add is crop. All right, so here. And now again, you can either use this to crop, the drag and drop to crop. To show you here. Crop the bottom. Or I can just do this. Okay, and after you crop, you can, if you would like to, add some saturation. This just kind of makes your video stand out just a little bit more. not too much, just a little bit. And again, adding that, you'll just hit the green plus sign. All right, and once you have all that set, you can hit save effect, and you can save it so that you never have to go through all of that again. You just go in and select which effect you created, and it will apply it to the video. So video track 2, the middle layer video, we're gonna hit effect. And this one's a bit easier. We're just going to scale it just to take up some more of that space. All right, so this is our actual gameplay video. So I'm gonna scale it out to about right there. And you can maybe do a little bit more. And I'm just gonna mess with it a little bit. The SpaceCitySurge on the bottom, it wasn't centered. So about right there, I like it. And that's it with that one. You can save that one, call it whatever you want. I call mine actual gameplay, because you'll see here on this third video and the last and the bottom layered video, this is going to be our blurred background. So for the third and final video track, we're gonna again hit select, and we're gonna zoom on this one first. And what this will allow us to do is fill in that blank space that'll be left on top and on bottom if we do not fill in the gaps. Okay, so this won't affect your video. This is gonna be blurred out, so don't worry too much about how it looks. So I'm just gonna zoom in on this part of the video. You can even preview, see what it'll look like. That's what it'll look like. All right, and now we're gonna add a scale. Hit the plus sign, scale, zoom all the way out, and notice how it takes up all the space there. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it back down some. All right, there. Now I want to add a blurred background, which I need to add the blurred effect. Right next to black and white, we'll hit blur, and that seems fine to me. All right, and now it is complete. If you hit view, here, you'll see just this clip. If it's on clip only, if you hit sequence, you'll see all three of them. Just to show you a little preview of what it looked like. Okay, so now that the video is complete, we can hit export video, hit video file, name it whatever you want. I'll call it epic fail. You can save to wherever you want. Now, preset, this is just the way that I do it. I'll hit 1080p, save it under MP4, file size. I'll scroll up to high quality, leave the audio the same. Now, resolution, you have to change the resolution here. Whenever we changed it in the editing software, that was just so that you could preview it that way, but now you want to export it that way. So here it is, 1080 by 1920. Leave the widescreen fit the same way. Under frame rate, I like to do custom, do 60, and do not select constant frame rate. It'll be a variable frame rate, and leave subtitle the same, and then hit create. And now you have your video. And now you have the tools you need to edit your TikToks. Again, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook at SpaceCitySurge, and hope you have a good day.